Hey guys, seeing Cash App not available in your region when trying to use it. Yes, it's annoying, but there's usually a quick fix. Okay, so let us do this, guys. Firstly, you want to disable VPN or proxy. Users on Reddit confirmed this. So, quote, are you using an international number? Do you have a VPN enabled? Either could cause this error. So turn off any VPN, proxy, or anonymizer and try again. After that, reset network settings or switch networks. Once again, Reddit noted, quote, I reset my iPhone network and it was solved. So try toggling Wi-Fi/mobile data or fully reset your network settings. Even if your phone location shows US, your App Store region might differ, so check settings and reselect the US region, especially on iOS. After that, you can try restarting and reinstalling and updating the app. That might work as well. And of course, verify identity and region eligible info. Cash App only operates in the US and UK. You'll need a US/UK phone number, address, and SSN or national ID to create or reactivate an account. And that is basically the things you need to know, and that's how to fix this issue. No VPN, correct region, and proper verification. If this helps you out, hit like and subscribe for more mobile fixes, and thanks for watching.